Are you dreaming of constructing your very own cozy tiny home or cabin? Well, now is the opportune time to turn that dream into a reality. Discover an array of exquisite kits that are tailor-made to match your unique style, complement your property, and fit comfortably within your budget. Wondering how? Because in this video, we have brought the 10 best tiny home frame kits at Home Depot only for you. So with that said, let's start. Number 10. Dell Homes. Pricing. Dell Homes offers kit homes starting at $250 per square foot. Dell 360-degree collection of prefabricated kit homes showcases a unique and practical approach to living structures. The circular floor plans not only lend a distinct charm, but also offer adaptability and durability. The absence of interior load-bearing walls allows homeowners to fully customize the floor plan to their liking. Delivered in convenient pieces, the kit's panelized construction system is especially well suited for capable DIY enthusiasts. It's important to note that the standard kits include the structure's shell only, with additional features such as windows, siding, and porches available as optional extras. Number 9. Allwood Homes. Pricing. Get this for $42,950. This adaptable wooden bungalow features a convenient covered patio and has the potential to serve as the perfect guest home, lake house, or even a primary residence for those who embrace a minimalist lifestyle. By incorporating electric and plumbing systems, it can offer all the necessary amenities. Accessible via a ladder, the loft provides a comfortable 218 square feet of space for sleeping and relaxation. The generous 540 square feet on the ground floor can be creatively utilized to suit your preferences. Whether you envision a cozy living room, 2 bedrooms, and a compact kitchen and bathroom, or prefer to create 3 spacious rooms for work and hobbies, the choice is yours. Assembling this structure typically takes around a week with the assistance of 2 experienced individuals. Number 8. Arlanda XL. Pricing. Get this for $9,190. Step into a world where sleek elegance meets modern design. Picture yourself in this charming tiny kid studio, where every element has been carefully crafted to capture the essence of contemporary living. Let your eyes feast upon the clean lines of the vertical wood paneling, the grandeur of the full-length windows, and the allure of the flat roof that gracefully crowns this architectural gem. Nestled in the heart of bustling urban landscapes, this 227-square-foot haven bathes in natural light, inviting you to embark on a journey of creativity and productivity. This cozy sanctuary is an ideal choice for those seeking a harmonious blend of work and living space. With a mere 44 square feet to spare, you can effortlessly introduce a touch of culinary brilliance or a lavish bathroom experience by adding an optional wall, electric connections, and plumbing. Indulge in the luxury of a small but functional kitchenette, where delectable aromas fill the air and culinary masterpieces come to life. Alternatively, immerse yourself in tranquility within a spa-like bathroom, where serenity becomes an everyday ritual. Number 7. Summerwood Homes. Pricing. Start from $22,490 to $25,995 depending on your pickup. Experience the convenience and satisfaction of building your dream home with Summerwood's remarkable kit homes. Their pre-cut packages are tailor-made for DIY enthusiasts, providing you with valuable time savings during the swift and effortless installation process. Imagine a charming cabin adorned with exquisite red cedar siding, showcasing the epitome of rustic elegance. With an array of door and window options available, you have the power to design every aspect of your oasis. Step inside the 100-square-foot nomad cabin, where an open loft and soaring ceilings beckon you to create your ideal sanctuary. Enhance its allure with a slatted wood awning, or perhaps indulge in the luxury of a welcoming front porch. The possibilities are endless, and the choice is yours to shape a space that perfectly reflects your unique vision. Number 6. Estelle 5. Pricing $7,275. Step into this ingeniously designed catalog home, where a world of possibilities awaits the creative duo. Inside, a single interior wall cleverly divides the space into 2 distinct living areas, making it an ideal haven for a pair of dedicated hobbyists. Imagine yourself immersed in your passion as you step into the generous 106-square-foot main room. This versatile haven is the perfect canvas for a woodworking shop or a soulful music studio, where your imagination can soar to new heights. Meanwhile, just a stone's throw away lies the smaller yet equally charming 51 square foot room. With its cozy dimensions and thoughtful design, this intimate space beckons you to dive into your creative pursuits, offering a serene escape from the outside world. With 6'9" walls encasing your sanctuary, you can revel in the tranquility and concentration that your craft demands. Crafted on a sturdy foundation of wooden joists, this remarkable dwelling not only stands as a testament to craftsmanship, but also embodies the spirit of self-sufficiency. With the right tools in hand, two capable adults can bring this dwelling to life within a mere 3 days. Picture the sense of pride and accomplishment that will wash over you as you witness your labor of love materialize before your eyes. Number 5. Easy Log Structures. Pricing $8,460. Get ready to embark on your dream of owning a cozy cabin or a splendid 1 or 2 story home with Easy Log Structures. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, our interlocking pieces make the construction process a breeze. The meticulously designed logs seamlessly fit together, creating a sturdy and elegant structure that exudes charm. With just a little effort and determination, you'll transform those raw materials into a sanctuary that reflects your personal style. To protect your creation and ensure its longevity, a coat of clear wood preservative is all it takes. And why stop there? Let your imagination run wild as you choose a penetrating sealer stain or paint in any color your heart desires. From earthy hues that blend harmoniously with nature to vibrant shades that make a bold statement, the choice is yours to make. So, are you longing for the tranquility of a 211 square foot Florida home? Look no further than this thoughtfully designed kit, tailored to meet your needs. Equipped with 2 windows that flood the interior with natural light, a double wide door inviting guests to enter with open arms, and trims that add the perfect finishing touch, this kit has it all. Number 4. QHouse Pricing. Sorry, but the price will be published on the website upon request. Experience the epitome of contemporary living with this stunning modern residence by QHouse. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, this ready-to-build home features expansive wall-to-wall windows, flooding the space with an abundance of natural light. The sleek design is enhanced by a series of elegant rectangular arches. With a generous area of 785 square feet, this posh pad offers a well-appointed open kitchen and dining room, allowing for seamless entertaining and culinary experiences. The flexible layout accommodates up to 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, ensuring ample space for relaxation and rejuvenation. And for those seeking the ultimate indulgence, a luxurious sauna awaits, seamlessly connected to a terrace where you can unwind and bask in tranquility. Number 3. Jamaica Cottage Shop. Pricing at $15,177. A charming dwelling perched upon sturdy hemlock wood skids, ready to be hitched onto a trailer equipped with wheels, granting you the freedom to explore the world. Boasting a generous expanse of 320 square feet, complete with a delightful covered porch, a spacious ground floor, and a snug sleeping loft tucked beneath a weather-resistant corrugated roof, this tiny home offers an inviting haven for a life on the move. And due to the ingenious color-coded materials that perfectly align with the comprehensive instructions provided, you'll find yourself effortlessly piecing together your dream home. Imagine the satisfaction of witnessing your cottage taking shape before your eyes, knowing that you've personally crafted a dwelling that not only mirrors your aspirations, but also satisfies your yearning for a nomadic lifestyle. Number 2. Allwood Homes. Price starting at $30,450. Welcome to the world of possibilities with the company's incredible 140 square foot tiny home. Whether you're seeking a cozy studio, a productive office space, or even a private workout haven, this compact marvel is designed to exceed your expectations. You'll be amazed by the solo kit, meticulously crafted with precision and care. It comes complete with pre-cut components, bespoke hardware, and stunning architectural details. You can relax knowing that the team has thought of everything, giving you structural engineering that is customized to your state and includes stamped specifications for the structure and foundation that are exactly in line with the layout you've chosen. Number 1. Cedar Shed. Pricing $10,629. The Farmhouse Shed Kit offers versatility with 4 different sizes to choose from. The smallest option measures 16 feet by 12 feet and features a charming 4-foot deep gable porch. Crafted with high-quality materials such as Western red cedar, this kit exudes both durability and natural beauty. It comes complete with a 5-foot wide double door, windows to let in ample light, a cedar shingled roof for added protection, and charming decorative shutters and planter boxes to enhance its aesthetic appeal. Assembly hardware is included, but it's worth noting that a certain level of carpentry experience is recommended to successfully construct this kit. And that's all for now. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for your own tiny home project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Feel free to leave any questions or comments in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thank you again for watching, and we wish you the best of luck with your tiny home project. Happy building!